Most people think making their first $1 million is about luck, starting the perfect business, or being born into a rich family. That is what keeps people stuck. Because the truth is, most self-made millionaires were normal people. No viral moment, no overnight success. They built their first million with the right mindset, the right skills, and simple systems over time. In this video, I will show you exactly how a normal person can build their first $1 million. No scams, no shortcuts. Just reality, watch till the end. Because one mistake I will share can delay your million by 10 years. Before money shows up in your bank account, it shows up in your thinking. That is the part nobody talks about. Most people think like consumers, millionaires think like creators. A poor mindset asks, how much does this cost? A wealth mindset asks, how much can it earn? Your first goal is not money. Your first goal is value creation. The more problems you can solve, the more money the world will pay you. Remember this, a salary pays bills, a skill builds wealth. You do not get rich by saving pennies. You get rich by increasing your income. That is why every self-made millionaire starts with one high-income skill. Sales.marketing, coding.editing, AI tools. Pick one skill, not 5, not 10. 1. Go deep for 2 to 3 years. No distractions, no shiny objects. A skill alone will not make you a millionaire. You must scale it. Millionaires do not sell hours. They build systems, turn a skill into freelancing, consulting, or digital products. Ask yourself this question: how can I earn without trading my time for every dollar? That question changes everything. Income makes you rich. Investing keeps you rich. Earn, save, invest, repeat. Smart money goes into businesses, stocks, and long-term assets. Not gambling, just consistency. Because when time and compounding work together, money starts working harder than you do. Rich people do not value money the most. They value time, less scrolling. More learning, more execution. Trying to get rich fast destroys dreams. Following too many gurus creates confusion. Changing goals kills progress. Wealth is boring. Consistency is powerful. Your first $1 million will not happen overnight, but it will happen. If you stay focused, patient, and disciplined, start today. Build real skills, create real value. Let time do what it does best. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment. I am building my first million.